Hi, I have my strawberry, spinach, banana, and avocado. I go ahead and I add them into my blender and then I add some almond milk. Let's look at the benefit of each fruit and vegetable. Banana, it has good source of fiber, which is good for constipation. Spinach, it helps lower our blood pressure. Avocado, it is rich in healthy fat, helps lower our cholesterol. I go ahead and I blend everything together. Strawberries, it helps with inflammation, it hydrates the body. Take this smoothie and it will help with your hair growth, your skin, your weight, and your general health. Please don't forget to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and enjoy this smoothie because your body, your health is your greatest asset. Have a wonderful and great time.